Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to continue implementing the page object model and page factory design pattern to remove the hard coding of the locators from the remaining automation scripts of the register account functionality. So this session is a continuation of the previous session. So let's switch to the Eclipse IDE, and here you can clearly see that I still need to remove the hard coding of the locators from this test cases starting from 11 to 27. So I'll just go to the 11th one and then, cut this test cut from here and I'll paste into the register.java file at the end. Let me take it to the end. And here, this is the 11th test case. So I'll just write down priority is equal to 11 here. Priority is equal to 11. So out of all the multiple test methods, test methods which are there in the register.java file, this one will run at the 11th position. Okay. So here I'll write register page dot enter first name, and here write down prop dot get property, copy this and paste it here. Now remove this part and here write down register page dot enter last name, and here write down prop dot get property. Okay. Then register page dot enter email, and here write down common utils dot generate brand new email. Then register page dot enter telephone number. Here write down prop dot get property and then enter register page dot enter password, that is prop dot get property of password you write down here. Then register page dot enter uh, confirm password, and here write down prop dot get property and write it down here. Then register page dot select S newsletter option. This one is also gone. Then register page dot select privacy policy. Then register page dot click on continue button. This is also gone. Fine. All these are done, right? First name, last name, email, telephone, valid password, confirm password, select S newsletter option, privacy policy option, click on continue button. What else is next? String expected warning message, telephone number does not appear to be valid, Boolean state false. And here write down, there is one more locator here. There's one more locator here that we need to verify. That is, we are retrieving the text from the warning text from the telephone feed. So here I'll write register page get telephone warning, actual warning message dot equals expected warning message, then state is equal true, otherwise false. We have successfully removed the thing, and then I think we have successfully removed all the hard-coded locators from this test method. Now save this. Once this is done, say Control Shift O, then save all. Okay. Now let me move. Let me delete this 11th test case. Okay, which is already moved to the register.java. Let's go to the 12th test case. Cut this part. Cut the test method and go here and provide the test method and say priority is equal to 12. Priority is equal to 12. Then here write down anywhere if the hard-coded locators are there. Okay. Actions.send keys prop.get property. Okay. I'm not using any. Am I using anything here? No. Okay. I'm not using any locators here. Any hard-coded locators are not being used in any of these places, right? You see? Here, there are some locators here that we have to remove the hard coding of. One of them is, okay, logout option, whether it got displayed or not, whether we got navigated to which page. So here, verify registering account using keyboard keys, account success page only, that's fine. Here, whether this is being, whether we are navigated to the account success page or not, we are verifying here. So for that to happen, here, I need to do what? I need to, okay, I need to create an object for the, already object of the register, click on the continue button or the mouse. Okay, just go to the complete top and here write down, your register page is there. Once you select the register option and enter all the details, and here no method is being invoked, but directly you are going to the which page there. Directly you are going to the account success page. So it's better that I need to create an object for the account success page. Account account success page is equal to new account success page, and here pass the driver, guys. Once you pass the driver, take this account success page and say dot, did we navigate to the account success page? Okay, that's we are verifying for login, logout. And here is account success breadcrumb is coming or not, we need to verify. So here what is implemented in this? Okay, did we navigate? Account success page breadcrumb is being verified here. What about is user logged in is something? Logout option is displayed means use the user. Okay, I just have to write in a different way here. That is, I have to go here and write down account success page dot is user logged in is the method. And here also I need to write down account success page dot, did we navigate to the account success page? With the help of breadcrumb, we are verifying this. With the help of logout option, we are verifying this. With this, guys, we have removed the hard coding of the locators from the 12th test case also. Let's delete this 12th test case now. Now let's go to the 13th one and cut this test method from the 13th test case. Go to the register.java and paste it here and give the next priority. That is priority is equal to 13. Priority is equal to 13. Priority is equal to 13. Save this. Save all. And here write down driver dot find element by dot okay, driver dot find element by dot id input first name get dom attribute placeholder. Okay, so here driver dot find element by dot id. So where exactly this particular field is there? Input first name field is, okay. Verify placeholders of text fields in register account page. So register account page only this is. So here I need to write down. Here in this place I need to write down. Uh, we need to get the DOM attribute of placeholder, retrieve the placeholder, we have to say. So for this, guys, already input first name ID will be there. So get DOM attribute. Okay, we need to get the DOM, get the placeholder text. Okay, get first name placeholder. Get first name placeholder, we have to say. So that we have to write in the register page, and here write down, create a method, guys. Public void, public void, get first name placeholder text. Okay, get first name, get text from, get a text from, get placeholder text otherwise. Okay, get placeholder text from first name field. Like this I'll write, and here I'll write down where is the first name field dot get dom attribute double quotes, give the attribute name as placeholder, placeholder. Okay, and here return this and give the return type as string. That's it. Now save this, come back, get dom attribute of placeholder. That's fine, and here write down, just write down here register page dot get placeholder text from the first name field, control shift F. Okay, control shift O. Done. Next one. This one, guys, that is last name field. We need to get the thing from the last name field. So here copy this and paste it here. get placeholder text from the last name field. Okay, and here write down the last name field element, last name field dot get DOM attribute, save all, register.java, and here write down, copy this, paste it here. Sorry, I have already written. Just here, go here and simply write down last name field dot get DOM attribute, and here simply write down register page dot get placeholder text from last name field. Control Shift F. Sorry. Control Shift F. That is also done. Next one. So next thing here is get DOM attribute of placeholder input email, save all, save all. Okay. So here input email is there. Input email. Here write down public string get placeholder text from email field, and here write down return email field dot get DOM attribute of placeholder. Put a semicolon here. That's it. Save this, come back and write down here register page dot get placeholder text from email field. Control Shift F. Okay, then this is for the telephone field placeholder text we have to retrieve. Control Shift O. Save all. Where is the mistake here? Email field dot get DOM. Okay, this one there's a mistake here. Where is the email field? Email field dot get DOM attribute of placeholder. This much is enough. Okay, done. Next one, public string get placeholder text from telephone field. Here write down return telephone field dot get DOM attribute in double quotes. Put a semicolon and give this placeholder thing here. Now go back here and write down register page dot get place holder text dot get place dot get placeholder text from telephone field. Then here password field, password field here. So here register page, copy this, paste it here. Here write down password field, and here write down password field dot get DOM attribute of placeholder. Save this, and here come back here and write down just write down here register page dot get placeholder text from password field, then password confirm field. Go back here, create a method, public string get placeholder text from password confirm field, and here write down return password confirm field dot get DOM attribute double quotes, put a semicolon, placeholder, save this. Then here write down register page dot get placeholder text from password confirm field. Okay, that's it. Save this. Now we have successfully removed the hard coding of the locators from the 13th test 2. The next one is delete this 13th test. Go to the 14th one. In the 14th one, write down, take this text-ng test method from the 14th test and paste in the register page. Here, give the priority as priority is equal to 14 here. Priority is equal to 14. Now here write down anywhere hard-coded locators are there, you just remove them. First name label is equal to, okay, what is this? And then get property value content before, okay, fine. We have to run some JavaScript code here to retrieve some, okay, under the first name label. Here what I am doing, return window dot get computed style of arguments of 0 of, okay, asterisk symbol is there or not before the first name field we are trying to retrieve. To retrieve that, fn content, fn color, here fn content will get the, whether asterisk symbol is there or not, fn color will get the, okay, fn color will get the color of that asterisk symbol, whether it is in red color or not. Then how to take this up? First of all, first name label. Copy this CS selector, copy this CS selector, and this first name label is in the which page actually? Register page. Create the web element here. Private web element, first name label, at the rate, find by CSS selector. Otherwise, CSS is equal to, give CSS is equal to, like this we have to give. Okay. Now on this, what is the operation we have to perform? Already the operation is being performed in this test, as you can see here on this particular element. Copy all these things. So here this is nothing but the first name label. Already the first name label is there. Web element is already created. Only thing that we have to do is copy this JavaScript code. So get first name label content. Okay. Get first name label content. This is the thing. Copy this. And here create a method that is public void get first name label content. And here paste the code. After you paste the code, you see already first name label is there. And this one I have to return fn content, first name content. Okay. And here return type should be string. Now save this, go back to the register.java and here remove all this stuff till here you can remove. And here in this place, write down register page dot get first name content, first name label content. Okay. It should be matching with expected content. Similarly, this one also, with the help of JavaScript code, we have to do that. Cut this part and create a method here in the register page that is public void get first name label color, first name label color. Okay. And here paste that code and here write, copy this, cut this and paste it here. Sorry, copy this actually. Copy this and paste it here. You're typecasting the driver here. Okay. While creating the object itself, the driver is being passed. That's okay. Mm, just thinking whether we need to pass the driver here to do that. But if the web driver is there and you pass the driver and typecast this, and anyhow, element is coming, element will have the driver anyhow. Okay, let's see if that doesn't work, then we'll see. Mostly, I'm just thinking that it is going to work based on the web element only, right? It's typecasting the driver. I'm just thinking whether we have to pass the driver here and to typecast it. Web driver, because here driver is there. We have to typecast the driver. Fine. The original driver will be different and this place driver will be different. So I'm just thinking whether we have to pass the driver here or not. Yeah, that's fine. We have to pass the driver here. While calling this method, better to pass the driver. So then next one is here also web driver I'll say. Then here I'll simply say return fn color, put a semicolon and string type. That's it. Save all. Go back here and write down. Here pass the driver. And here also register page. Get first name, label color, and pass the driver here. Okay. Save this. Save all. And here write down web element last name field driver.find element. Okay. So for last name field, again the same thing, guys. Okay. We need to create this web element. Copy this. Copy this. Go to the register page and write down private web element last name field, last name label, put a semicolon. Here write down at the rate find by CSS is equal to give the CSS selector, save this, come back here and remove this part. And here write down, cut this part, cut this part. Go here and create a method that is public string get last name label content web driver. Here paste it and write the JavaScript executor. Okay, that's fine. Copy this and say return ln content. That's it. String type. Okay. Copy the same thing. Here simply change the method to get last name, label color, web driver, and here I need to change this part. Copy this part and where is that? Yeah, this is the part. Cut this and paste it here. That's it. Return ln color string. That's it. Save this. Come back here and write down register page dot get last name label content driver register page dot get last name label color. The next one, copy this part, come back here and create a web element private web element, email label. Here write down at the rate find by CSS is equal to give that CS selector, right? This part is done. Then copy this, cut this part, go here, paste it here for a while, and copy these two methods. And here change the methods to get email label content, get email label color, driver, and here I'll cut this part and paste it here, email content, and here again go back and write down, cut this part, paste this here, okay, here paste it. Now return the email color here, that's it. Now save this, go here, remove the spaces and simply write down register page dot get email label content, register page dot get email label color. Okay, done. Now again, next field, telephone field, again CS selector is there. Copy the CS selector, come back to this page, create a web element here, that is private web element, give that telephone label, telephone label, label, and here write down at the rate find by CSS is equal to give the CS selector of that thing. Count down here. Any errors are there so far? No. Save all. Yeah, all good. Copy this, paste these two methods and say telephone label content. Here also telephone label color. Okay, next. Next here is we have to remove these parts. For that to happen, I'll go to the script and I'll first remove this part and then cut this part and paste it here, the first one, and say telephone label. Correct, telephone content. Okay. Once that is done, go again back, cut this part, come back to the register page, and here write down, replace this one, and say telephone color here. That's it. Okay. Telephone color. Okay. Now save all, come back here and write down register page dot get telephone label content, register page dot get telephone label color. The next one, save all, password, copy this password field, register page, create a web element, private web element, password label, at the rate, find by, CSS is equal to, give the CS selector, save this, and create a method here, copy paste these methods, again copy paste these methods, two methods, and here write down password label content, here also get password label content, label color, and here remove this, in place of this put this part password content you have to put here and return this password content. And here also I need to replace. Go here, cut this part, come back here to the register page and replace this one with whatever I pasted and then return. So what is coming here? Sorry, I'm doing something here. Small mistake maybe here. Okay, password label should be there. Password label and here password color and return this color. Done. Save this. Once that is done, come back here and simply say register page dot get password label content register page dot get password label color. Then password confirm field. Copy this, come back here and write down private web element password confirm label. Here write down at the rate find by CSS is equal to give the CSS selector, save this, come down here, copy this method, paste it here, get password confirm label content, password confirm label color, and here I'll just go back and here remove this part, take this part and come back here and paste it here and return this password confirm content. Similarly, I'll just go back here, cut this part, come back here, paste it here, replace this here, and return the password confirm color. That's it. Save all. Here write down register page dot get password confirm label content register page dot get password label color. What is happening? Save all. Okay. Expected content, color. That's it. Okay. Put a semicolon here. That's it. This is also done. Next part. Save all and take this web element CS selector privacy policy label. Come back here and create a web element here on the top. Private web element privacy policy label and here write down at the rate find by. Here give CSS is equal to give the CS selector, save this, come back here, remove this web element, and now come back here and copy this last two methods. Copy these two methods, paste it here, get privacy policy, okay. Then here also privacy policy label color. Save this, come back here write down, cut this part and write down here and paste this and here privacy policy content and here the same way Go back here, cut this part, paste it here, and write down privacy policy color. Save all, and here write down register page dot get privacy policy label content and expected content here, expected color here. Then register page dot get privacy policy label color. Okay, save all. Error is gone. So we have successfully removed the hard coding of the locators from this particular test also, 14th one. I'll delete this. Now let's go to the 15th one. The 15th one, again, here JDBC kind of stuff is there. Okay, so I need to cut all this stuff and go to the register.java and paste it here, and here write down it's not aligned properly, control shift F. Yeah. Then here, what is the priority number? Priority is equal to 15. Priority is equal to 15. Priority is equal to 15. And here I need to write down, okay, verify data testing of, okay, here I need to write down register page dot enter first name dot enter first name, and here I need to enter first name input data. Where is data is coming from? Turn keys first name input data. Last name input data, first name input data. Save all. Yeah, here it is. First name input data is here actually. Last name input data is here. That's okay. Then this one I can remove. Then here register page dot enter last name, and here last name input data, and remove this part. Then here email input data, register page, enter email, and in that email input data, remove this part. Then here register page dot enter register page dot enter password, and here write down password input data and remove this line. Then again input newsletter dot click. What is this? By dot id input newsletter. Private dot find element by here we have entered Arun, last name, email, password. What is this application actually? I just need to go to this application once. Mm, okay, for database testing, we have to use a local one, right? For database testing, we have to use a local one. So here local host opencard db is a URL. That's okay. This is going to fail anyhow because we cannot set this up for just for demonstration. I covered in the 15th test case, but I cannot do it for all the test cases though. Okay, but this is not going to work. This is not going to work. Okay, just comment these lines. That's okay. Whatever that is possible, I can write it. Otherwise, I'll comment it if it is not there. Register page dot select register page dot select privacy policy. Then register page dot click on register page dot click on continue button. This part is also gone. Anywhere we have the hard coding of the locators available? No. We are done with this, guys. We are done with this. The script is ultimately going to fail because there is no database in the real application. Okay, I have demonstrated that already in the sample application, right? Localhost. By converting my machine to the server in the previous sessions, I did that. Okay. I'll delete this 15th test case now. Let's go to the 16th one. I'll cut this test and the test method to whatever it is feasible for me. Whatever the things that I have access, I'm demonstrating that, guys. Something are behind me since I don't have the real things about the application. So for that, I have explained on the local host kind of stuff, okay, which I cannot modify it here. Priority is equal to 16. Here you see register page dot enter first name, and here the first name is just empty space. Then register page dot enter last name dot enter dot enter dot enter last name. Here give a space, whatever the space that you are giving here, that you have to pass it here. That is also done. Remove this part. Register page dot. Okay, this email, right? Actually, I have to 1 minute. Let me go back here. Last name is repeated twice. Register page dot enter email. Give that space, single space into the email. Remove this part. Register page dot enter telephone number and give a space here. This is also done. Register page dot enter dot enter register page dot enter password dot enter password double quotes and done. Register page dot enter confirm password space register page dot select yes newsletter option register page dot select privacy policy, then register page dot click on continue button semicolon. This is also done. Now we need to verify this. Here some other hard-coded locators are still there. We have to remove them. So for that to happen, first name warning, last name warning, email warning, telephone warning, password warning. We have to retrieve the warning messages of the different things. How to get the warning messages? To get the warning message already we have written, right? So take this part, this is the first name warning, right? Register page dot get first name warning. That's it. Here also register page dot get last name warning. Then here also register page dot get email warning. Then register page dot get telephone warning. Then here also register page dot get password warning. That's it. Okay, save all. Save all, guys. That's all. Okay, we have successfully removed the hard coding of the locators from the 16th test case. Save this. Delete this 16th one. Go to the 17th one. The 17th one, I'll cut the test and test method. Okay. And there's a data provider method also. I need to copy along with this. Cut both these things and go to the register.java and paste it here. And here, give priority as 17. Here, say priority is equal to 17, comma. Okay. And here, register page, enter first name. And here, enter prop.get property. Give that here. Okay. Remove this part. Then register page dot enter last name. And here again, prop.get property last name. Remove this part. Then register page, enter email. And here, common utils dot generate brand new email. This part is done. This line is done. Register page dot enter telephone number. Prop.get property of paste it here. Remove this line. Register page dot select yes newsletter option. Then register page dot select privacy policy. Register page dot enter password. And the password enter password text. Okay, the password text is a parameter here. Okay, and the confirm password also we have to do the same thing. Register page dot enter confirm password text. This is also done. We need to now click on the continue button. Register page dot click on continue button. Remove this one. Then Boolean state, and there is some message here that is under which field input password. Under the input password field, password entered is not matching the complexity standard should come. So for this to happen, guys, okay, to get the actual warning message, here I'll write down, I'll remove this part and write down register page dot get password warning. Put a semicolon here, that's it. Then any other places we have to remove the hard coding of the locators. Here, one more thing. Driver dot find element is displayed. It should not be navigated to the account success page. So here I'll remove this part. Okay, I'll remove this part and say register page dot is did we navigate to register account page? That's it. Okay. Give circular bracket here, and what is the problem here? Yeah, that's it. Control Shift F. Done. That part is also done. Then any other places I have to remove the hard coding of the locators? No. Now we are done with the 17th test case. Let's go with the 18th one. Cut this part. Very lengthy one. This is 18th one is very lengthy. So I think from 11 to 17 I completed, guys. 7 test case I completed till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. Okay, this will take time anyhow. Just checking what type of things are there here. Okay, I think this will take some time, guys. I'll not touch the 18th one. So far, whatever I have done, I'll try to run the scripts here. and see whether till 17th test case everything is working fine or not. I'll see. All the test cases should run in a proper way. Okay. Should not give abrupt results, but proper way should work. First one, the second one. Anyhow, it's going to fail. Second one is going to fail. We know that in advance. Third test. Now fourth test. Now fifth test. Then sixth test. Then seventh test. Total 17 are there. This is the seventh one. Then eighth one. Then ninth one. Then tenth one. Now 11th one. Then 12th one. Twelfth one. Now 13th one. 14th one. 15th one. Now 16th one. Now last one's 17th one, I think so. Let's see. Or if there are any data driven tests, we don't know. It will run more times. There's a possibility of data driven test somewhere. Okay. It may run few more times. Still running. Yeah. So 13 tests got run, failed got 8, got failed. That's okay. Something got failed here. Verify mandatory field symbol and yeah, here for the privacy policy field, we know that there is a problem here. That it's expected to fail. Data testing, database testing also real server is not there here with a real application, so it will definitely fail. I cannot implement this in the with the tutorials engineer.com/demo application. So this one have separately demonstrated, how to solve the challenge, but I agree that it is getting failed. Okay. Then next one is this one. That is data driven test. The same test got run 5 times with the five different invalid passwords, and every time, it got failed because we didn't get the warning message. Okay, so everything is working fine so far, guys, and we still need to run 18 to 27. We have to still remove the hard coding of the locators from 18 to 27 test cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tests are there, guys. Okay, let's see how much time it will take, but we'll do this in the next sessions. Okay, not in this session, but in the next few sessions we'll complete this part. Okay, I know this is taking time, this will take time, but from when you go to the login logout and all, right, you don't have to, you know you don't have to do this kind of process. Okay, because while writing the scripts only we'll implement the page object model page factory, and using that we'll write the code. So that double headache will not be there. Okay. So in the first register account functionality, it will be there, but from the login and all, we will not have this problem. All good. So guys, that's all. That's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.